In this video, I'm going to show you how to download PDF from SciSpace. So the first thing you're going to have to do, you're going to have to create a SciSpace account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you'll be able to try out SciSpace completely for free. So make sure you check it out, link down below. Now, once you're in here, to download PDFs, here's what you're going to have to do. Of course, first you're going to have to enter in some search queries to actually look for some specific PDFs. So let's just start off by going over here. I'm just going to open up one of my past literature reviews. So let's say this one over here. And what this is going to do, of course, you'll see a bunch of different things, okay? So you can go to papers up here and just search for whatever you want to search for. And whenever you do this, down here, you'll see a bunch of different articles, okay? So these articles differ in one specific thing. Some of them will have this button next to them, which says Request PDF. And if you open up a specific article, you're going to see it like this, and it's going to say Request PDF. Now, if it says this, it means PDF isn't directly available, so we're going to have to click either on this button over here or this button over here, and then, of course, you can add a message and then send a request. So, of course, you can get your full text by telling the authors why you're interested in their research. So, just tell them why. You have like 500 characters. You can explain, be kind, let them know why you need it, and then you can send it with the note, or of course you can also send without it. However, your chances of actually receiving that will be much lower. So that's the first way, but that is only for the articles that need the request to actually access their PDFs. Some of them, if I scroll down here, don't have the requests, as you can see, such as this one, or there's going to be more. There we go, this one for example as well. You can just get the PDF right away. So for example, if it's available, click this button over here where it says PDF, or in case you are on the article site, you can click PDF over here. The PDF is going to automatically open inside your window over here. This is one of the PDFs, and you can download it using this button over here, top right, the download button, and you're gonna, of course, be able to save it anywhere inside your computer by clicking save, and there we go. You have successfully downloaded the PDF from SciSpace. So that's how this works. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.